Hello YouTubers, just a quick video on the installation of a carpuride, no it's called carpuride, 701 multimedia interface basically. So I've got a Mercedes E-Class W211, and to change the radio is a bit of a pain because it works on fibre optic, and you got to rewire the radio to get an Android in there and all that. So I didn't really want to do all that. So I did a bit of research and spotted this. So it just comes on. I've hardwired it all in. So it's fed from the fuse boxes, which is at this side of the door here. Yeah, it's good. I'm quite happy with it at the moment. Obviously, I've got my normal radio for all my music stuff, but then I've settled on number 9. So we're going to number 9. That was 87.5, and that correlates with the frequency to go exit to FM transmitter, 87.5. So basically my music, my videos and all that transmit on that frequency and then come through the speakers in the vehicle, which is quite good. I'll just go to home, do card. I've got an SD card in there with some video. This is just a video of clay pigeon shooting that I do. So it gives you an idea of the quality of the clay pigeon shooting and all that. I've got volume on it. That's the video coming through on the car speakers. Quality's really good actually. It's quite impressed with it. Obviously you can't use it whilst you're driving. It's against British law. So I mean, my wife could watch it, I suppose, while she's in the passenger seat. I'm not sure how that would stand in the court of law though. But yeah, it works good. So I'm quite happy with that. Go down to your menu, and then I got all the other videos, music videos, Red Dwarf, in-betweens and all that. Go into audio, you got like a lot of music there. Loads of music and all that. Photos and all, you got photos. So I haven't actually got any photos on this car at the moment. So I just go back to menu, go to AA Auto, and that then gives you Google Maps, voice recognition to make phone calls from your contact list. All sorts of options really. Games, maps, new messages, goes into messages, new messages. Yeah, you just play around with it. I mean, I've only had it for about an hour, so I'm just sort of still getting used to it. But yeah, I quite like it. I say it gives a modern touch to an older interior. There's still nothing wrong with this car. Like it's a very good car, but just adds a bit of like modernisation to it. I think this was 120 quid from Amazon, so it's not too bad. But yeah, so. Yeah, so that's how I've wired it anyway, hardwired it, and I've screwed it to the base of the speaker. So it's not going anywhere basically, it's solid, it's not going anywhere. If I did take it out, then I'd just buy a new mesh, a new speaker mesh, to replace the one that I put holes in. But hardwiring it is definitely a bit of the way to go. So it's like all my gadgets, like all being hardwired. It's that nav, the next base, they're all being hardwired into the vehicle. So I don't have wires sort of traipsing all over the dashboard. I think it's shabby looking that, and there's no excuse for it really. It just takes a bit of time and effort to hardwire it in, and it pays dividends in the end. It just looks a lot neater and more professional, which is what I used to do actually for a living. I used to install equipment, shall we say, on specialist vehicles. So that's what I used to do until I retired. Yeah, so recommend anyway. Carpuride. This is the base model. This W701. You can get 9-inch, 10-inch, quite long ones with also sort of extra functions on and all that. So it depends on what you want basically. You know, you just sort of whatever you want is how much you want to pay, basically. But for the price, I'm happy with it. Anyway, so I'll give you a little look at that. That's in the Mercedes W211. So yeah, there you go. All the best to that.